Draw a rectangle of size 100 by 120 mm. Select the lower nodes using Shape tool and drag for rounded corners. Contour inside, 5 steps, 6.5 mm offset. Right-click on object, break contour group apart, or Ctrl-K to break. Ungroup objects. Hold Ctrl and draw a circle. Hold Shift and select object. Press C and B. Center and bottom alignment. Select all, press V. Decrease the size of circle about 20 mm. Press V. Draw a curve using 3-point curve tool. Hold the node and place it on the inner object corner. Press right-click to create a copy. Ctrl-R to repeat. Fill color using Smart Fill tool. Create a copy of this circle. Select these objects, click on Weld. Delete. Change color using Interactive Fill tool. Remove outline. Fill color to this circle and remove outline. Hold the quadrant and place it on the corner of this object as shown here. Place the pivot point at the center of the circle. Hold Ctrl and rotate to 45 degrees. Press right-click to create a copy. Ctrl-R to repeat. Select all, group.